Hey guys, just want to jump on and maybe do some more casual recounts of the crypto action of the day. Just gonna look at the top 50 and just kind of take a moment to recognize a little bit of what's going on. I think that'd be fun to do, and I hope some people can maybe get on this train with me. All right. So starting at the beginning, of course, we got Bitcoin up 5% today. Bitcoin's getting back on track up to 7,200. While at the same time, its nemesis Bitcoin Cash is down another 10%. So far, yep, it's getting towards the halfway dump point from last week's mayhem. Hope none of you guys got caught up on the wrong end of that stick. I know a few people out there got on the right side of that one. Let's see here. Ethereum has dropped a little again, back down to 330. Ethereum has been strangely stable, hovering around that 3 to 350 mark. I don't know. I do like Ether. It travels fast between exchanges. Always looking forward to seeing it do better, but there's so many other projects out there, so we got to keep moving down the list. We got Ripple and Litecoin, both did about 2% apiece. I'm not really interested in them today. We scroll down just a little further, number 7. IOTA has done its deed. It is up 20% today. IOTA is entering a window of post ICO. We're into its regular playing phase, and while a lot of people were kind of bored to tears with the chart action after the August rise for IOTA, myself included, I wasn't going to jump in at that point, and I'm glad I didn't. Well, IOTA's kicking some butt this week. Wasn't just, let's see. IOTA was 34 cents on the 5th of November, and here we are 10 days later. It is 73 cents. That's a monster gain. A lot of people support IOTA for a lot of good reasons. They're unique. They're kind of the strange crypto on the block. I think IOTA has hope. I want to be in them with IOTA. I guess they're starting to get their moment again. Let's see. NEO. NEO's down almost 2% today again. Starting to see NEO getting talked about a lot in some of the forums I go to. NEO was going to be awesome and might still be awesome, but the charts, it's like a Ginsu knife maze from hell. If you buy real low, you're going to make some money on NEO. But if you get up in on one of these spikes, NEO could clean your clock. You could lose a quarter of your value in a couple days. I'm still waiting for NEO to pop. A lot of people are saying that it's about time for NEO to pop. The risk is too high for me right now as far as the price action. The volatility is too high with NEO. Looking at the volume on NEO, it's still doing 30 to 40 million a day. I mean, it's a monster coin. Skipping Monero and NEM, Ether Classic, Lisk up 13% today. I didn't buy a Lisk yesterday. I was considering riding the edge of that razor blade. Lisk was already being pumped madhouse style yesterday. I don't know. The way it looked to me, I was like, only a fool would buy it today, no matter how good the news. Well, the news for Lisk is good. Lisk is going through a rebranding. Lisk is back in the spotlight. You're hearing people talk about him a lot again. Honestly, the only thing that kept me out of Lisk is that I had a few other ideas I wanted to get in on last week, and they were good ideas. I'll talk about one of them in a minute. But Lisk tore it up. I wish I was in on them this week. I'm afraid to tell anybody to go buy Lisk today. I wouldn't tell. I couldn't tell you that. I don't even remember what they did yesterday, but it was double digits, and here they are today doing 13%. Congrats to you guys that own them. Been waiting for this moment. Lisk is tearing it up. I want in. I'm going to wait, but I want in. Okay, let's see. Qtum, 10%. I haven't eyeballed this one very much myself. The chart looks like a frenzy. Running about 3-4 months old. The directionality on Qtum is upward bound. It's still quite a ways from its two separate all-time high of $18, 19 almost, and now it's sitting at 13 bucks. I don't know. I haven't followed it that much. Okay, today we got the Monster Blazer H share HSR 32%. Wow. Any of you guys see that one coming? I jumped on their website today. I honestly have not even looked at them. Strange because they're up so high. They're number 14 on CoinMarketCap. Their website is tight. If you watch their explainer video, I don't think you could find a more complicated explainer to have to give to people. I mean, it's a little bit of a mind boggle, even if you are really good at catching on to ideas. It's a hard product to sell, and yet H share, wow. They were about 10 bucks last week, and now they're at 20. Higher than that. 21, 22 maybe? 20 bucks. Volume is monstrous. They're getting $40 million a day. H share is clearly something we need to stare at from time to time. This crypto is only a few months old. It's right in that sweet spot. The ICO frenzy has dumped. We've ridden a long path there, and dang, I wish I got in on that one too. H share and Lisk. Be a happy man. Okay, Zcash, 13%. Zcash looks like it's kind of on a roll. Man. There is not a more absurd ICO beginning for any crypto than what you're seeing with Zcash though last year. Jeez. Priced at 4,800. Plunged down to 500 bucks. I can see why people are kind of waiting to grow on this one. I don't know much about the product, but chart wise, it's definitely it's like a circulating upward trend. We're talking multiple new lows, and well, we have not quite hit its recent highs. Doing pretty good. We got OMG. I don't have anything bad to say about OMG. A lot of people love them. The fact is, they already had their monster pump in August. This one's done incredibly well at not losing value between September and now, but I was holding some OMG for about 2 weeks and got rid of it yesterday. It is not going up at times that all these other cryptos are going up. All right, battery died. Had to fix that. Let's see, where were we? Veritasium did a 21% day. That's VERI. It's the ticker. I don't know. You look at the Veritasium chart though, and it looks like a day trader's chop shop. I don't know much about the project. I don't want to insult the project without knowing anything about it, but Veritasium looks like it has many 20% days. At least recently. It's been on a steady downward trend with many big jags. Pivx, 7% today. Pivx is one that I wish I had got in on. A YouTuber I follow was talking about Pivx months ago when I was, just kind of starting to watch YouTubes. Pivx has been killing it, guys. Worth 2 cents back in January, and it's now $3.30. Pivx is the stuff crypto dreams are made of. Its action has been pretty wily though the last, couple months. I honestly wouldn't recommend jumping into that thing yet. Without proper news in it. Pivx looks like it's one where you gotta let it sell off. Of course, Pivx volume is hovering around 300,000 to 1 million, which I feel like that's risky in proportion because early adopters of Pivx, even if they put $500 in on it, they'd have made a killing. They could be themselves swinging this price around for all we know. I have no idea. No accusations. Pivx looks nice in many ways. Okay. Down the list. Factom. 11.5. No. 14% today. Almost 15%. Factom. That's a rough chart. Factom looks like once you let it sell off, you can wait a few days and catch a major ride. But you don't want to rely on chart patterns. Ten-X. 10X has got their credit card out. The hype of that has kind of burned off. You got people talking about 10X on the groups the same way I was talking about OMG. The growth on the charts is just not there. 10X big focus is that credit card that allows you to spend crypto. We're talking multiple competitors now, and we're also talking possibly Visa, MasterCard making moves in that arena. 10X has a big wall to climb, even though that they were one of the first arrivers. The future is clearly going to be, we're going to be able to spend crypto with cards. There's going to be a lot of players in that field. I don't know what to say about 10X except the price action is flat. The opportunities to gain are just, they're not currently there too much. Don't touch it yet. That's all I can say. Gas. Been watching gas for a long time. It's a no buy. I like gas though.